Myself, Aman Raj, born in Jamshedpur, Tata, and raised in Baka, Bihar. I am a medical student. I am studying about medicine. I am in present second year. I am studying in Jaipur, Rajasthan. My dream is to become a good research scientist. I love to study biology subject. Biology is my favorite subject and I also love to read novel like motivational novel. In my free time I like to do drawing and writing. In writing there is poetry, story and so many things like prose etc. And when I was get boring that time I like to listen music and do exercise to free the mind in the park, and I also love the flowers and pet animals. Today I was presenting about motivational stories. In motivational stories there is my topic, believing in yourself, a critical step on the path to success. Sometimes the difference in whether you succeed or whether you don't comes down to one simple thing, believing in yourself. Have you ever thought about how much believing in yourself makes a difference in your quality of life? Think about it for a minute. If you don't really believe that you can do something, you are not going to give your full effort, and without your full effort your chances of successfully achieving your goal are greatly reduced. Also, if your goal requires help from others, you then need them to believe in you. If you don't believe in yourself, why would they believe in you? Every successful goal that you ever achieve will have one common thing, that they require that you believe in yourself. Here is the most important word, is self-esteem. Do you know about self-esteem? What is self-esteem? Self-esteem is all about believing in yourself and your ability to shape your own life. Why believing in yourself is so important? A strong belief in yourself can bring you all these benefits and more. You recognize about ability to accomplish goals. You're optimistic about the future as you set goals and achieve them. Deep down inside your now you can do anything. You can yourself kindly. Wouldn't you love to enjoy these qualities of confidence and well-being on a daily basis? Have you know this answer? Yes, so listen that. The good news is so can. There are actions you can take to fortify your belief in yourself. Believing in yourself made easy. Why that it is easy? Whether you feel lacking in this area or just want to strengthen your belief, for the extra benefit, try these ideas to further develop your self belief. So, let me start. First point, have confidence in your own ability to get something done. When your back is to the wall and you are facing fear, head on, the only way is forward and through it. I learned this tactic when my business was struggling. I knew what I wanted to achieve in the long run, but I lacked confidence in my ability to make it happen. So, instead of being overwhelmed by the big picture, I got into the habit of setting 90 days plan. So, bring myself closer to achieve the big goal. I would then break the 90 days plan down into the monthly targets and finally daily actions. I could then focus on the daily actions which I had enough confidence to pursue. The support of the others will definitely benefit you, but it is you who must make the changes necessary for you to start believing in yourself. If you are going to start believing in yourself, it is you who must make the change. Others cannot make you believe in yourself. They can only be supportive. If a goal seems to be big for you, then keep breaking it down until you reach a point where do you believe you can do it. You can then grow your self belief from there. It doesn't matter if thousands of people believe in you unless you believe in you. We often get put off from pursuing our dreams because We don't believe in our ability to make them happen. What we forget is that it takes time to achieve a big dream. In the time it takes to achieve that dream, you also have to time to acquire the knowledge, skills and attitudes required to achieve it. Don't base your beliefs in tomorrow's success on the abilities you possess today. Believe in your ability to learn and grow. Sometimes your difficulties in believing in yourself can stem from the fact that you haven't really given yourself anything to believe in. When you develop a clear vision for what you want, start developing strategies for realizing that visions and start achieving small goals along the way. You increase your self belief one small step at a time. Goals are very effective way to build your self belief because properly set goals require you to stretch a little outside of your comfort zone, causing you to expand your comfort zone as you achieve the goal. It is often said that you are should treat others as you would like to be treated yourself. It is just as important to treat yourself with the same respect and dignity that you would offer to others. So it is last. It can be greatest value to keep a record of the tough times that you go through and how you go through them. This will help you to keep believing in yourself when things go wrong, because these things will go wrong, but if you prepared to adjust your course, you have nothing to fear and plenty to learn from these though experiences. And thank you to all.